good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 19 from verse 28 to verse 42. Jesus dead. After this, when Jesus said everything when it did that, it said, "Me thirsty." Him did say that so that what God would say would have come true. One jar of sour wine did it. So then take one sponge and soak it in the jar of sour wine. After that, then put it on one hyssop stick and put it up to Jesus' lip. When him get the wine, him say, "It don't know." Then he bend down him head and put him spirit in a God hand and dead. Now, cause I did the day before the Sabbath, and the Jew leader them they wanted dead them for turn pan the cross pan the Sabbath. They asked Pilate for broke them foot and then take them down after the cross. The Sabbath we did a come, I did one special Sabbath. So the soldier them go broke the foot them at the first man when they get nailed up with Jesus. Then they broke the nether one foot them. But when them said Jesus did dead already, they no bother broke him foot them. So instead of broke Jesus foot them, one of the soldier them take one spear, shoot in inside, and blood and water run out same time. The somebody we see them sitting there, talk about them. So they can believe in a Jesus. When talk about a true and a lie, and him no say a true him attack. All of them sitting here happen. So what God would say would have come true. It say, not even one of them bone them are going to get broke. And in our next part, it say, them are going to look upon the one where they bore. They bury Jesus. After them sitting here happen, Joseph, we come from Arimathea, asked Pilate to give him Jesus' body. Joseph added one of Jesus' follower them. But he didn't make nobody know, because he did afraid of the Jew leader them. So when Pilate tell him say, he could have get Jesus' body, him take it carry go away. Nicodemus, the man where they go look for Jesus at night, follow Joseph. Him carry about 75 pounds of balm for Jesus' body. The balm did make out of myrrh and aloe mix up together in a one. Them take Jesus' body and wrap it up in a linen cloth with sweet balm oil. And they look about him the way Jew people look about them dead before them for bury them. One garden did there, which part Jesus get nailed up. In the garden, you did have one new tomb, one where nobody named bury in yet. No, Chua did the day before the Sabbath, and the tomb did the near, then put Jesus' body in it. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.